Going towards the last, RAID 5. RAID 5 is known as bit or block interleave without, I repeat, without dedicated parity drive. So let's try to understand how this thing is gonna work. Again, you have an array controller attached to multiple disks. This all disk would store data as well as when needed, parity. Logic, well, simple. Data would come. Data would be divided into block 1, block 2, block 3. So goes in. And the parity of block 1, block 2, block 3 will be stored in a round robin fashion to the next in series. So parity from block 1 to block 3 will be stored. The system is good. There are many advantages to start with. It is high performance. It is low cost compared to others where the parity drives used to be more involved, and provides reliability. There are although negative things, or rather negative thing, if any disk fails, then data will be lost. Sorry, Drew, battery down नहीं जा रहा. Data will be lost. So this is RAID 5 levels to work with. I'm also giving a tabular explanation of each. People, if you have carefully understood, I have skipped RAID level 2. I'm also explaining that why and how. Going with RAID 2. The RAID 2 which we have left away was called as bit or block interleaved with error detecting, error correcting disks. Now, what do you mean by this? What is a name and what is the meaning of it? Let's try to understand. The way it works is unique, although it is not generally used now. Array controller. Now, you would be having two sets of disks. By saying this, let's understand. Consider this way. There are disks for writing data, and there are disks for storing data parity. That means this is called data disks. This for error correcting and error detecting codes. Now, whenever we get the data in this, whenever data goes, data would be maybe broken in blocks, block 1, block 2, block 3, and so many, whatever data sizes. There would be a special error detecting codes and error correcting code written for block 1, 2, 2, 3. This created a lot of reliability in the system, but be very careful. Why RAID level 2 I haven't said is the biggest negativity of RAID level 2, it is not used. Why? Understand, while reading, you will be reading data, again calculating error detecting code and checking with the stored error detecting code. So why it is not used? It is extremely slow. Mind you, not only for read but also for writing. Hence RAID level 2 is most of the time not discussed in many books, but since we are doing a detailed video, you should know that yes, there is something called RAID level 2. At the last part, I am also giving you slide in which there are all RAID levels combined together and explained in a one slide. So let's go for that. This is a part which we are talking about in this particular table. It is just given what all is required, what is good, what is bad, and how it works. So stripping n disk, for mirror 2 n disk, for redundant 2n plus m, and so many. Whatever we have discussed has been just listed in a common form in a tabular manner. The same table would be available in your offline notes. You can just take them and read it separately.